Let's talk about a tool that lets you innovate without fear, the Zoho Sigma Sandbox.
I mean, you've been there, right? Hesitating to touch a live workflow, scared it'll all break?
Because let's be real, one little misstep can completely derail your entire turnaround time.
When that happens, you get messy workflows and frustrating delays for absolutely everyone.
So, the big question is, how can your team innovate without taking on all this risk?
Well, that's where the Sandbox environment comes in. Think of it as a secure, isolated copy.
It lets you safely test out any changes you want before they ever go live.
This process gives you 4 clear steps so you can innovate with total confidence. Let's break them down.
Okay, step 1, test without risk. This is your playground for new templates and API workflows.
Step 2, validate without cost. You can try out new features without using any live credits.
You could perfect, say, a Zoho Sign and CRM integration, totally risk-free.
Step 3 is huge. Detect errors early. You can find and fix issues in the Sandbox first.
This stops that cascade of errors before it can ever mess up your real live workflow.
And finally, step 4, deploy with confidence. Once you're happy, push it to production.
But there's more. This is also a seriously powerful toolkit for your developers.
They can use APIs to add e-signatures to web apps or SDKs for mobile apps.
With these APIs, developers can create templates, handle storage, and even match your branding.
So really, it's all about moving from uncertainty to a totally seamless, error-free experience. You go from risky trial and error to a smooth digital experience. It's a total game changer. So think about it. What workflow could you finally improve if you had a safe place to test?